What's up, my wealthy babies? I am back with another video, and I am wealthy, of course. And if this is your first time coming across me and my videos, welcome, and definitely subscribe to my channel so you can join my family. Now, if you already know, last week I already prepped this wig, bleached it and everything. Now it's time to install this wig that I got from TikTok Shop, and this wig is from West Kiss. So let's go ahead and install it. I know y'all see me looking at this wig all crazy because I don't know who Jerry Curl ass wig this is, because I'm not just gonna slap this wig on just like this. Like, I felt like this wig needed some work, so I was gonna put some work in with this wig for sure, okay? But before I get to styling this wig, don't come for me. Yes, I'm bald headed. Yes, I cut my hair again. Mind your business. And don't worry about me, okay? But I wanted to put this wig on because I wanted to see how the wig actually look on my head. I never tried it on. This was my first time trying it on. And yes, it looked a little crazy because the curls and stuff like that. But I need to see, do I need to put that work in when it comes to the wigs? I love the curls and everything. The curls are popping. But to me, it just gives Jerry curls, you know. It gives Jerome, you know, from Martin, and I don't want to put that on my head. I don't know what it was, but I definitely was struggling to put this wig on my head. I do not, me personally, I don't like them thick ass elastic bands in the wig. It's just too much. It's crazy. But when y'all see me, you see them curls, okay? Yes, it was so hard to put this glueless wig on and make it sure it lay down right. Like, the little part of the lace that they cut, I did not like that at all. Like, yes, this is the glueless wig. Yes, it's supposed to look like scalp. Yes, I put too much tint on a damn lace. I just was not fucking with it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was like, I don't like the wig no more. Okay, I don't like the lace, the glueless. Bullshit, okay, because this is not glueless. It is glueless, but I personally felt like it was not glueless. Like, I was tugging on it, pulling on it, just trying to work with it, and I was not feeling this wig. So I just knew I had to put that elbow grease into fixing this damn wig, because I ain't gonna lie, it's working my damn nerves for sure. Definitely that lace. That lace was irritating me. Them curls, it was popping, but it wasn't popping on me. So let's take a few steps back and fix this wig, and then we're gonna install it. Cause girl, no. I promise you, I'm gonna make this real quick. I pinked up my wig so it just won't go anywhere, you know, because I'm really gonna put some work in with this wig. I got my spray. This is with water and conditioner. That's all I need. I don't really need much. I used the brush that I got from West Kiss, and I just combed it through the entire head just so it can just, you know, keep the hair soft and then maintain the curls and everything, because I had to take a step back with this, okay? And then I went ahead with my mousse. I'm using the mousse to lay down everything. I'm laying down the hairs. I'm laying down the doggone lace because I don't like that lace. I don't know why the lace keep lifting up. I honestly think it's because how they cut it or whatever. So I just want everything to lay down. Usually before I even install a wig, I make sure I prep it. And this is also something that's a part of my prep method of maintaining the wig, and make sure I install it real good and the lace and the hair is flat. So that's what I'm just doing right now. After I was done, I just put a headscarf around the wig, tied that up, and then I used my blow dryer on high just so it can dry faster and I can, you know, go ahead and install this wig. And after 30 minutes, this is how the wig is looking. It's looking like a real Puerto Rican. You hear me? A Puerto Rican. The hair is slicked back. Them curls is popping. I definitely like it. Okay, so let's get into this wig install. After doing all that, you know, it was a little bit easier putting on the wig, okay? The lace was laying down a little bit. You know, I had a little problem with it, but we're going to work with it, though. And everything just seems so much smoother. I know that lace is dark as hell, okay? I sprayed too much tanning spray on that damn lace. I was just going crazy with it. And I realized I didn't even need tanning spray. I could have just used the powder and that would have been enough. But it's okay. You know, we make mistakes and we learn from it. But besides that, this is how the wig is looking. It's laid down. Them curls looking better. You know, it's not giving a Jerry curl. It's giving real Puerto Rican. So now I'm just pinning up the hair and getting it out the way. I do believe that this is a 7x4. Not 7x4, 7x5 closure glueless wig, because it doesn't come all the way down to my ears. But you know, I still like it though. I like the little closure wig because it's really quick to install. So the spray that I'll be using today in this wig install is Red by Kiss, the Ultimate Hold number 9. Now this is supposed to be some shit that really holds down your wig. You know, we're not using any more Even New York. Is it Even New York? I think it's Even. We're not using any Even products over here anymore, but I am still on a search to find some holding spray that really is like gives that extreme hold and just make sure your wig not going anywhere, okay? But honestly, I don't have any complaints about this Red by Kiss Ultimate Hold Lace Bond Spray. It was really good. It really did get that extreme hold. I'm telling you, it did. So I would definitely use this again for any quick installs. So if you haven't heard about this, definitely go to your local beauty supply store. I think this was like $3 or $4 at my local beauty supply store. And this is Red by Kiss Lace Bond Spray, and it's the Ultimate Hold number 9. Now I did put the spray down twice because I really want the lace to be secured and laid down. I really have a problem with the lace because how they cut it in zigzags, that does not disappear. I know it's supposed to be glueless and then this lace is supposed to be HD, but because the way that they cut the lace, it's hard to hide that. I promise you it is. And I'm not sure if it's because I made the mistake because the lace is too dark, but whatever it is, I just felt like the lace had to be laid down so it can really give scalp, you know? Let me know in the comments where y'all think I messed up at, because you see, I was really working on that lace because you could kind of see the zigzags, if you see what I'm talking about. Like, I know it's a wig. At the end of the day, it's gonna look like a wig, but if it's gonna be glueless, you should not see the lace at all. You know, it should not be this visible. So I really was trying to just work with it because I honestly was not planning on laying down glue and then installing this wig like this. I just wanted to just put the wig on, but because how the lace is, it definitely needed to be laid down, and that lace needed to disappear ASAP. No Rocky. So I went ahead and glued down the side of the wigs, and I used 2 layers of the spray. But surprisingly, I didn't have any issues with the side of the wig, okay? The zigzag on the lace was like no issue for me on the side of the wig. It definitely disappeared, and it was easier to lay down and install. I just think the middle of the wig was just a little bit more complicated because the lace kept curling up and everything. I don't know what's up with that, but like I said, everything was fine with the sides of the wigs. I just realized what I should have did was actually plug the wig myself a little bit more, because on the side of the wig, it is thicker. The hairline is thicker than the front of it, okay? This wig is already constructed already. It's been bleached, it's been plucked and everything. But on the side of it, just so it could look more natural, I should have just plucked it some more myself. So I'm going in with my little trick and using the olive oil wig grip to give my wig the extra hold. Now this is used to make sure like my wig won't move anywhere or anything for the summertime, but right now I'm not concerned about that. I know this spray is gonna make my dang on lace disappear. That's why I like this spray so much. Like, even though it helps hold the lace and make sure that lace ain't going nowhere and it gives it that extra grip, what I'm using this for is to really work on the front of my wig, because the lace is just, you can still see the zigzags, okay? And I want my lace to just disappear and look like it's my actual skin. I know it's a wig, let me be a little delusional, okay? But what I'm doing is trying to make that lace disappear as much as I can. So I definitely like using the olive oil wig grip, because it makes, not only does it make sure your wig don't go anywhere, but it also disappears your lace. And every time that I do spray, I just spray a little as I go, and then I come in with my blow dryer and lay it down. So I'm gonna give y'all a little close up of what I'm doing. I spray the little lace spray, and then I go ahead with my comb and I press the spray into my lace so it can melt into my skin, okay? Because like I said, my mission is to disappear them zigzags, and as y'all see, them zigzags are disappearing, okay? Because now it's looking like what lace, all right? But I went ahead and I used my blow dryer, and I have it on hot, and I have my comb pressing into the lace, and I'm just brushing back the the little hairs to get out the way. But I make sure I press the lace into my skin so everything could just melt and disappear. Because baby, we giving scalp, okay? So before I put that band on, I always make sure I clean up my hairline, because I done sprayed all types of stuff on my hairline. I done sprayed the Red by Kiss, you know, lace bond spray. I done sprayed the olive oil wig grip spray on my hairline. So it's just a whole bunch of stuff on my hairline, and I don't want no white cast or no mess when I take this band off, okay? So of course, you're gonna make sure you have that band on for how long? An hour, yep. And I sure did have this band on an hour. I don't even care if it is a glueless wig. I'm gonna make sure this lace is laid down. Okay, it's been an hour and it's time to take that band off, and here's how the lace is looking, okay? You can still see the zigzag a little bit, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But it still gives the illusion of like scalp, just a little bit, you know. I can say that this is a good glueless wig, definitely for the girls that are experts and know how to work with a lace like this. I don't know what y'all do, flat iron the lace or something like that to keep it from curling up, but it is a decent lace, you know. I'm gonna do some little work with it. I'm gonna put some little makeup on the lace to just make it disappear, because I really don't like them zigzag. Eventually I had to bring out my Red by Kiss lace tint powder, okay, because I was using my foundation, I was using concealer, I was using everything, and then I just got to the point where I was just like, let me use the tint powder to actually like disappear my lace. And that's what it did. The zigzags disappearing, you know what I'm saying? So I just put a little bit more work into disappearing that lace. I had to use something darker because my foundation wasn't working and my concealer wasn't working. But that lace tint powder, oh, it's gonna work, and it did work for me, okay? And now we here, y'all. The lace is, where is it? I don't even see. I don't even know what you're talking about, okay? That hair is popping. I went ahead and styled my hair. If you want to see how to make your curls more defined, definitely with curly wigs, stay tuned for next week's videos. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video a lot and saw me struggle and succeed at the same damn time, okay? Because this wig is phenomenal. It came out cute. It was looking a hot mess at first, but I'm looking good now, okay? I made that wig work for me. The little secret I have is I put that band back on after I tint the lace again, okay? But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave comments down below if you have any concerns, questions, dilemmas. Y'all already know. And if you're not subscribed, what the fuck are you doing? Just stay connected to me. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And thank you for watching. Bye, my babies.